Hello YouTube viewers. Today we will be doing the Qaeda of Quran and also you guys have been smashing the views like crazy. In the last video in the wazoo, it was like, I don't know, like 2K or something, but it is a lot of views. So in this video, I hope you make a lot of views too, and subscribe, like, and share and comment. So today, one thing I want to tell you: if you're living in Durham and it was Wednesday at night, you might have seen that there was a lot of snow, but there's grass and some roads, but there's some snow. So we're gonna talk about that later, but we're gonna start for what we have to do today. So today we're gonna learn the Qaeda of Quran. So we're gonna get started. This is what the Qaeda of Quran is. So if you know Quran, there is the alphabet letters. So if you still know them, you can practice them. But if you don't know, you can use this video to know what they are. Alif, ba, ta, tha, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, dal, ra, za, sin, sheen, swad, zwad, and ta, and zwa, and ain, ghain, fa, kaf, and kaf, and lam, and mim, and noon, and ha, and waw, and ya. It's like 3 symbols, and the 3 symbols show the sound of the letter when the symbol is on that letter. So we'll use this for practice, or you know all the Quran, you can use this for practice. But one thing, fatha, when it's on alif, it kind of sounds the same, but you can call alif or ah. I'm gonna just call it ah because that's what the fatha does with it. So when the fatha goes in on it, then it makes this sound, ah. It makes it longer, not shorter, it makes it longer. And then we do the kasra. So the kasra is kind of same, looks the same as the fatha, and the fatha is like this, and the same thing with the kasra, it's like that. But if it's underneath, it goes underneath the letter. If it goes underneath ah, that means it has turned into e. And then we go to the final letter, which is called a dhamma. So a dhamma is just like, you know, like the letter waw in the Quran. If you don't know, you can, like I said, you can use this for practice if you know all the Quran. But it looks like the waw. So the dhamma slash waw, it makes the letters like ah. It goes on top of here, and you can't see it very well, but it goes like this. If you know waw, and then when it's on there, then you call it ooh. So I hope you have a nice day. Happy New Year. Subscribe and do the sharing and make the views a lot of more. And please share and comment to the list that I just told you. So Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the 2019 or in the next video. I hope you have a nice day. Bye. Happy New Year.